Hi, my name is Bianca and I'm gonna tell you how to become a data scientist. There are a few steps you need to take in order to become a data scientist. First, you need to learn Python, that being the most important programming language you can take in order to make meaning of your data. Secondly, you need to learn math, more specifically, linear algebra, calculus, and most importantly, statistics. So the third step is to actually learn R, which is a programming language that is mostly used for statistical computing. And the fourth step, we can say it's one of the most important parts of becoming a data scientist, and that is data visualization. And why do I say that? Well, mostly because our brains process information easily when we're looking at a graph or a chart, instead of looking at a spreadsheet when it comes to huge amounts of data. And at the same time, it will help you point out all the areas that need improvement. So this is it for today. I hope you found my video helpful, and I will see you in the next one.